Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you these so cute but so fast crocheting and so easy slippers. It's so simple. I wear that pair because of that it's more looking big of that, but it's same. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time, support and kind comments again. Uh, you can make these slippers for a gift for Christmas. It's so simple and so fast. For example, you can make nearly 4 or 5 pairs in a day so easily. I hope you like it. You need This is 100 grams of yarn. Maybe you can make 2 pairs of slippers with 1 ball yarn. This is size 4 yarn. I use 5mm hook and give all the details in the video. And this is 39 number in European size. You can adapt it 1 row less or 1 row more. Adapt every size easily. I hope you like it and you will try that. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple slippers. Let's start crochet. I use size 4 yarn for this project, and this is 90% of acrylic, 10% of wool, and its name is Vogue. You can see that, but not any information about that, and I use 5mm hook for this. First of all, I make here magic ring, a little circle, then grab my yarn, insert in it, and 1, 2, 3 chains, count as my first double. Then add here 11 more. Totally I will have 12 double crochet. Yarn over, insert that circle, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Hold these 2 yarns together, okay, like that. Don't give up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, a little pull it, 10, 11, and this is 12. Okay, I make here 12 double crochet and pull it tightly. Then come and insert my hook top of this chain 3 here and join 2 sides together and grab these 2 yarns together and lock this circle. Then chain 3 again and count as your first double crochet. This round we will make 1 stitch 2 double, 1 stitch 1 double, and we increase our circle, and at the end of this second row we will have 18 double crochet. I make 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. Next stitch I will make 1. Next one I will make 2. Next stitch make 1. 2, 1, 2, 1. I complete and turn to you. I come to at the end of this round and make my last double here, then come to first chain 3, stop and join with a slip stitch. We complete the second round and we will make one more round increasing. Again chain 3 and count as your first double, then yarn over, insert into the same stitch and make one more here. We have 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. Next stitch make 1. The third stitch make 1. Complete this set. Next stitch make 2 again. Next 2 stitch make 1 double crochet. At the end of this third row you will have totally 24 double crochet. 2 here in 1 stitch, in the first stitch, the second one, the third one. Okay, complete this and turn to you. I complete the third round and insert into the first stitch, stop, join with a here, join with a slip stitch. That's it. Now I use size 4 yarn, you know, but if you use more thicker than that, or for example size 5 yarn, I will crochet after this row 2 rounds with 24 double crochet. But if your yarn more thicker, you need maybe only 1 row. You will put your foot here and look at it measurement. The second tip here is, if you use more thinner yarn, maybe you will need 1 more round increasing, or if you use more thicker yarn than mine, you don't need make the second increases. Okay, you will adapt that with your yarn and hook. Now I will crochet 2 rounds with 24 double crochet. Make a double crochet in every each stitch. Chain 3, count as my first double. Yarn over, insert into the next, make 1, insert into the next, make a double crochet in every each stitch. I crocheted like that 2 rounds after turn 2. I complete these 2 rounds with 24 stitch, not make any increase, and join with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut my yarn. Okay, because we have here joining stripe, I want to make this stripe behind of our foot, okay, under of that. So I want to use our front side, our slippers. So I will left here 6 stitch from the, I put this starting point, middle point of this side. So I will count here 1 2 3 from 3, and I will put my hook from the here middle point after that 3. Left here 6 stitch. Take my yarn again here, chain 3, count as my first double crochet, and I will crochet, you know, we have totally 24 stitch, we will crochet 18 double crochet. This is 1, I will hide this tail 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. We crocheted 18 double crochet, chain 3, and turn your work this time. Left this 6 stitch here and crochet 2 rounds like that. 18 double crochet, chain 3, and turn. I will complete mine after turn 2. I come to end. Don't forget your last stitch here. Make my last double. I crochet, you can see, 3 rows with 18 double crochet. Now, you know, we left here 6 stitch. I will make here 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I make here 5 chains, come to first stitch, join with a slip stitch, join 2 sides together, then again chain 3 and make my doubles in every each stitch. This is the 18th one. Now we will make here, I will use these back loops. Okay, insert that back loop, one, next one, two, next one, three, four, here, five. Come to first stitch, stop and join with a slip stitch. Now again chain 3 and make a double crochet, 18 double crochet, left these 5 here, 3, look at that, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 here. Not keep crocheting, we left these 5 stitch here, again chain 3 and turn your work and keep crocheting like that, not make any increase or anything. I crochet here 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows totally. I'm on the second one. I will complete these double crochets 6 rows, complete after turn 2. I crochet these 6 rows. These 6 rows is about your foot, about how big. Okay, I made these slippers for 39, number of 39, but if you wear 36, you want to make this for gift 36 or bigger, you need maybe 37, 38, 5 rows, 35, 36, 4 rows. If you want to make it's 41, 42, I give these sizes in Europe, you can change it easily. You need maybe 7 or 8 rows. Okay, you can adapt it easily. Because it's so elastic, not making so problems, you will play the 1 row more or less. Okay, now we finish. Actually, I will show you how you can join 2 sides together. You know, this is front side. You will put this slipper like that, insert these sides first stitch and join 2 sides together and hold it like that. Then take this from your side, this front side, front loop, the second side's back loop here, grab your yarn and make single crochet, front loop, back loop, single, front, back, single. Also you can make slip stitch, but I want to make single crochet. This is the last one here, chain 1, cut my yarn and hide this tail here. Also you can hide it with which you want. it's not so important with needle, but this is more coming easier to me. That's it. It's so simple. And so fast crocheting. You can prepare your if you want to make a gift for with that, you can make 3 or 4 pairs in a day. It's so simple. I hope you like it and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. I want to remember that again. Thanks a lot. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.